Ooh, look at that. Look how shiny this thing is. Man, I had this thing for like 2 years now almost. No, maybe not. Maybe I'm lying. Anyways, I still love it. Every time I look at it, I still have the same opinion about it as the first day I bought it. This thing is not disappointing me. It's been always great. Alright, so as for today's video, don't worry, I have no buttons on the back, so I'm not gonna scratch the car. Anyways, so today's video point is I wanted to unbox I guess a secret, or what do they call those boxes? You know, from like, you know, those detailing companies that they sell, or their washing products, ceramic coatings and all that. So Vvash, Vvash Auto Care, they recently had the secret box giveaway for 24 hours. Not giveaway, but yeah, secret box purchase. They're like 69 bucks for a secret box, and they guarantee that it's going to be at least worth 150 bucks. And some of them, there's I think 2 of them that are worth 1,500 bucks. So today I received mine. Obviously I don't think I received the $1,500 one. I was expecting a lot bigger box, but I received this. So I just wanted to open it and then show you guys, I mean, what comes in these boxes, what to expect, you know, if it's worth it or not. I mean, this is my first time ordering from them, so let's get to it. All right, let's get this thing cut open and see what we got. Well, what do we have here? So 200-gram clay bar, one of these guys. And what do we have here? Diamond Shield, car maintenance specialist. I think this is the ceramic coating that they sell. Body coating, yeah, so this is the ceramic coating. I think they say it's yeah, it's 36 months guaranteed. So yeah, this is the ceramic coating that they sell for 99 bucks, I think. I don't know how much this is worth. If they claim that this box was worth 150 bucks, I highly doubt that, unless this clay bar is worth 50 bucks. So let's see. All right, see it again. This is Diamond Shield. I went on the Vvash, or the Vvash Auto Care website, and this is the Diamond Shield Nano 9H ceramic coating. I never seen it being 150, but anyways, this is the $100 one, this right here. So this is what I got in there. And then let's see, let's look for the 200-gram clay bar and see if it's, you know, if it's going to be worth the 150 that they claim that's going to be in the box. And then the clay bar, as you can see, the 200-gram clay bar, $29.99. So not quite the 150 that they claim, at least not the retail. I mean, if you count that they, you know, they say that the, you know, retail on this thing is 150, which I have not ever seen it being 150. It's always been $99.99, and then this being 29, then it's 130. So, you know, it's not quite 150 retail. I was kind of hoping at least it would be that. So it's kind of disappointing a little bit, but I mean, it's still not bad. I mean, if you consider this being, you know, a worthy ceramic coat from Vvash, if it's really good, I mean, you consider it, then yeah, I mean, you got your money's worth just with that, but you get additional this. But, you know, I was expecting a little bit more, but, you know, still, money's worth is good. So this guy here, I'm probably gonna be putting on this car. It has some ceramic sealant on it right now. I need to do a good polishing detailing job on it. I kind of did it with my rotary a little bit. I took off the major defects that it had, but now I'm just gonna do a really good detail on it, and then probably I'm gonna apply this. I mean, they guarantee it for 36 months. High temperature resistance, hydrophobic effect, body shine, scratch resistance, all that. So anyways, so this probably will be going on my car, and then I might do a video, you know, of me, you know, doing the detailing work on my car with the ceramic coat as well. So that's gonna be in the future when the weather gets a little bit better. So this video wasn't really my plan to do today. Well, I wasn't even gonna do a video today, but my wife brought me a package from Vvash. I was like, oh yeah, that's my secret box that I ordered. So yeah, I decided to just do a short video today, and you know, show you guys, I mean, if it's worth it. I mean, it's for you to decide if it's worth it or not. I mean, they say that there was 2 of them that's worth $1,500, and then what, 5 of them or so worth $1,100, and then the rest of them were from 150 to 500. So I got the cheapest one that they claimed. It was even under what they claimed it was going to be worth, but it's still worth the money. You know, if you, I'm pretty sure that ceramic coat is going to be pretty good. The clay bar is not bad. I mean, if you do any detailing to your car and if you care about it. But yeah, I was going to do another video. It was going to be a little bit off, you know, about this car. I did some pulls with the Lexus. We did some tricks with that Lexus, mixed some fuels and did some testing in comparison to this car. So we took the car to Mexico, and then we did some testing, you know, from dig, from rolls, and, you know, compare. So that video is probably going to be coming up this Saturday. I'm pretty sure, yeah. And then, so yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and as usual, see you next time.